Hi ladies, it's Mr. O'Sullivan. It is, well, I'm recording this on a Tuesday, but I believe you'll be seeing this on, I think, Thursday? That sounds about right. Okay, so today is Thursday, March 25th. We are going to be doing lesson 6-7A, the median of a trapezoid setup. So, you guys have a field trip today with Miss Robinson. That's why we're not doing the whole lesson today. We're just doing the setup. We're going to be doing the application tomorrow. So the setup, learning target. I can set up an equation by utilizing the median of a trapezoid. The median of a trapezoid, we're going to look at this definition right now. It is a line segment whose endpoints are midpoints of the non-parallel sides of the trapezoid. In trapezoid ABCD, so this trapezoid right here, we can say that MN is a median of the trapezoid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my congruent sides. So I can say MD and AM are congruent, and then I can say CN is congruent to NB. Okay. However, in math, you've had me for the past however many months, I like theorems. The median of a trapezoid is parallel to the bases and half the sum of the lengths of the bases. And here are some things that we know based off having a median. We can say that MN is parallel to DC. So if I look, I can say MN is parallel to DC. And what that means is they're never going to intersect. So if I want to, I can draw those arrowheads on them to show that they are parallel. Okay? I also can say MN is parallel to AB. So if I look, I can say this segment is parallel to this segment. So I can actually say that all my segments in my trapezoid that are my bases and my median are parallel to each other. And there are two ways to construct this equation. We can say that MN is equal to 1/2 AB plus DC. So base plus base divided by 2 equals my midline. However, if I want to, there's actually an easier way to work with it. I can double my median, or MN, and set it equal to AB plus DC. This is easier to work with this way. There's typically less decimals, because when you half something, you might have to half an odd number, and then you have to get a decimal. So I'm going to write this alternatively. What we're saying is 2 times your median equals base plus base. And that's going to be the setup we're looking at for the majority of today. Well, actually, for every single example, because it just looks easier and it's much easier to work with. So 2 times your median is equal to base plus base. So for each of the following, we're going to set up an equation that can be used for the median of the trapezoid. So basically what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be setting up some equations. So if I look at my first example, I can say that my bases are AD and BC. And my median is 2x plus 1. So if I look at this, I know 2 times my median is equal to base plus base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that. I'm going to write 2 times my median equals base plus base. So if we look at this example, my median is 2x plus 1. So I'm going to do 2 times 2x plus 1 equals base plus base. So I'm going to do my x minus 1 and my 15. And this is your final answer. So tomorrow we're actually going to solve. Today we're just doing setup. Okay. Number 2, if I look at this example, I've got my median of 2x plus 4, and I got my bases of x and 4x plus 7. So if I look at this example, I can double my median, which is 2x plus 4, and set it equal to my base and my base. Well, the sum of them, so x plus 4x plus 7. And this is your final answer for your setup. Okay, let's go on to number 3. In this example, my median is 2x plus 1, and my bases are 2x minus 2 and 3x minus 4. So again, I just double my median, so I double my 2x plus 1, and I set it equal to base plus base. So I'm going to do 2x minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. And that'd be your final answer for that image. Number 4. This one looks a little weird because I have numbers, just numbers instead of expressions, but it's still the exact same process. My median is x, so I'm going to double my x. So I'm going to do 2x equals base plus base. So 12 plus 28. And then we would solve that equation. We're going to be doing that tomorrow. Number 5. First, we identify our median. So our median is 4x minus 4. So I'm going to do 2 times 4x minus 4. And set it equal to my base plus my base. So I have a base of 18 and a base of 3x plus 4. And that would be my final answer. Okay, digging deeper. Who is correct? This you're answering on edPuzzle. Miss Fiornelli and Miss McNally were working on their geometry homework but disagreed on how to set up their equation. Miss McNally said that the equation to use would be 2 times 20x plus 4 equals 10 plus 24x plus 6. Miss Fiornelli said that the equation to use would be 20x plus 4 equals 2 times 10 plus 24x plus 6. Who is correct? Explain why, and please use complete sentences. Answer that on edPuzzle, and if you have any questions, please email myself or Miss Colorundo. Okay, so for the digging deeper, I'm going to let you know right now, Miss McNally is correct. So we know that Miss McNally is correct, and the reason why Miss McNally is correct is because she did 2 times her median equals her base plus base. Whereas Miss Fiornelli doubled the sum of her bases when she should have doubled her median. Okay. And that's it for today. So there is no delta math. It is just today's edPuzzle. Tomorrow you will be having not a delta math. Well, you actually will most likely have a delta math. My apologies. You will have a delta math tomorrow, and we will have a live lesson on Zoom. If you have any questions, again, please email myself or Miss Colorundo. Have a great day, ladies, and please, please, please enjoy your virtual field trip with Miss Robinson and Miss Colorundo.